Wow, this is Phnom Penh during the New Year celebration. It is so lively over here. Everybody's wet. He's having a great time. This guy got me. I knew I was gonna get wet. I knew it. I knew it. Check this out. This is the meat. Ooh, these look so good. So can you believe all of this is for around $3 USD? So this is one local thing. Happy Khmer New Year, happy Cambodian New Year. So right now I'm in a lively area here in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. And as you can see, a lot of people are holding strings because a parade is about to happen pretty soon, but I guess they're just getting ready for it because just about to be sunset. Sorry guys, it's a little bit loud, but I'm so happy to experience this Cambodian New Year here in Phnom Penh. So happy New Year to you and your family. I hope you guys have a prosperous New Year wherever you're at in the world. If you're Cambodian, if you're not Cambodian, because they are celebrating this in other countries such as Laos, such as Myanmar, Thailand. I just hope you guys have a prosperous year ahead. So please smash the like button and subscribe, and it helps out a lot. Let's just see what's happening right now. It's going to be more of a raw vlog, but also show you how people celebrate New Year here in Cambodia. Beautiful. And I'm sorry if it's too loud. There are announcers that keep on talking, but yeah, let's keep on talking. Well, let's keep on talking and walking ourselves. See different types of Cambodian people. There's Cambodian people that are Muslim, non-Muslim. Most Cambodians are Buddhist, but really cool just to see. I'm not sure why they're holding this rope, but if we just keep on walking ahead, we're going to see more of the parade. And then also, let me just show you the vibes. So right now we're next to the riverfront, which is famous. A lot of sellers are, a lot of booths are selling books, everything you find, jewelry, food, and whatnot. So today I'm just going to be exploring the New Year's, and this is my first time I'm here, so I'm super excited. So let's explore together. It seems like it's getting, It seems like it's getting very busy over here, and they do put paint on each other's face, but my face is getting a little bit messed up, so I don't need any paint. Probably get paint during the video, but you see a lot of people are having squirt guns here because they do squirt each other with water guns and stuff. I can't even hear myself talk. Let's continue on, but yeah. Oh my god, it is getting lively over here in Cambodia. Check it out. So now I'm in an area where everyone's getting wet and soaked. Like all these people are soaked with like face paint and whatnot. I'm not soaked and not with face paint, as you can see, but I know I might have to be. And I feel like I'm unarmed. I don't have a water gun or a squirt gun, but yeah, that's how it is so far. Look at this. Man, it is so lively over here. Like literally, there's people just well, hold on, just as I'm crossing the streets. Hi, how are you guys? Hello. Happy New Year, bro. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Enjoy. Thank you so much. Yeah, just exploring over here. People, look at this. Lady's filling up a bucket. Everyone just having a great time. Everyone's off. Look at this. From pickup trucks and whatnot. Wow. Cups of water. Everyone's getting splashed. I know we're about to get splashed right now. My camera is water resistant. Sorry if you can't hear me. Wow, it's so loud over here in Phnom Penh. What? I gotta cross the street or something. I can't even cross the street. I can't even hear myself. We're gonna have to see if we can cross. Hello. There we go. Wow, everyone's being so happy. Yeah, it is definitely a vibe out here in Phnom Penh. And I know I'm gonna get shot while I'm recording, but yeah, I'll show you. Hello. So nice. You know what's kind of interesting is I thought I already have face paint by now, but a lot of people, they're like, do you want face paint? They don't like push onto you. At least this is what I've seen so far. Yeah. Well, I'm still in that same area, but fortunately the vibes are picking up. Like, you know, it's kind of interesting. You see people with pickup trucks, they're spraying each other, going crazy. And I know, hello guys, how are you? You're very happy people, and they're like driving nice cars too, like a Ford F1. We use a Ford F-150 4-door. Like, People got money here in Cambodia, but also it's kind of cool because everyone is smearing face paint on each other. But I don't want to. They almost got me with the face paint, but I don't want face paint. This guy got me. He just ran off. Oh man. So the camera's getting wet. But it's expected from Cambodia. Oh my god. I knew I was gonna get wet. I knew it. Oh my god. This is crazy. You gotta get right in the middle of the vibes and just see how it is. I would go towards that way, but yeah, look at this. All the kids are having fun. I love it. Oh, getting squirted from all angles. Yeah. But this is how it is, and gotta clean off the lens. But I'll show you guys more pretty soon. But yeah, got pretty wet. Okay, the evening has dawned upon us, and I'm trying to look for some food, and I know who I'm going to go to. I'm going to go to my go-to guy, and also my go-to lady over here. They sell some really good barbecue skewers, so I just want to go over here and check it out. Hello, assalamu alaikum. How are you? Good? Can I get 5 of this, please? 5. Yeah, 5. Actually, you know what? Make it 6. 6. Yeah, 6 with the salad, please. Yes. All right, thank you so much. Check it out. So they have like chicken skewers. They have little squid skewers. They have bread. They have some meats and whatnot. But their chicken skewers is where it's at. Traditional Cambodian skewers. So if you ever come to Cambodia, come over here. They are right next to this 24-hour Indian roll halal restaurant on the waterfront in Phnom Penh. Alright, my guy over there is making the beautiful chicken skewers, which I had a couple of times over here. And yeah, I just want to show you, like, I'm sitting down at this nice chair. Look at this. What's up, guys? Yeah, I'm sitting here, and he's very nice. He gave me a chair, and then also gave me this little seat as well that I can put my food and eat properly. You can see a lot of people are eating on the ground, which is normal here in Cambodia, and I respect that. It really reminds me of like the Middle East. And yeah, the vibes are lively here. Check this out. This is the meat. Ooh, these look so good. So can you believe all of this is for around $3 USD? Each skewer is about 60 cents USD, and I got 6 of them. So 6 times 3 is like what, 36? Yeah, so that's like $3.60, and then you get a free salad. But man, I can't wait to dig in. And you know what? I gotta show you the first bite. So you just cooked it. So as always, bismillah. The meat is so juicy and chewy, juicy, tender. This is chicken. Type of meat is chicken, but yeah. Wow. And they had a salad too. And they gave me chopsticks, so let's try this out too as well. Uh-oh, I dropped my chopstick, but it's alright. It just fell on the ground for like 2 seconds. I'm gonna do this. Yeah, let's do this. Do this. I'm not chopstick professional, but yeah, got this. Right up. Nice and sour cabbage. It's pickled cabbage and carrot. So good. I'm not even exaggerating. Can you believe all this is for around $3 USD in Cambodia? Barbecue meat is so good. Check it out. Come to Cambodia yourself, and you definitely love it. These are very nice. We took it up with the food. There's other foods over here too. So many thousands of foods, but what I like about here is they have halal choices, non-halal, vegetarian choices. Anything your dietary like prescribes, like if you're a vegetarian, they have vegetarian. So check out for yourself. Anyways, peace. You can enjoy this, and I'll see you at the next shot. Well, that was definitely delicious. Check it out, guys. So I had all the 6 skewers over here. Salad. Wow. I'm telling you, can't beat the price, can't beat the taste. Definitely, I came here. This is actually like my 3rd time coming to this guy, but I love it. Okay. Okay, we have currently reached the culture village here in Phnom Penh. This happens during the New Year. That's where we're entering right now. Hope you can see it. So yeah, let's just enter it. But I'm super excited to see the culture village. So they only have it for the New Year apparently. Look at the decorations and just let's appreciate the vibes. It's the first time I'm here, so hopefully we can see how it is. And it's right next to the night market here in Phnom Penh. So they have the official night market, which is right over here. And then they have this New Year festival grounds. Everywhere is sand, which I wouldn't expect that here in Phnom Penh. But yeah, there's sand. All these beautiful decorations. A lot of people eating food and having some cool things. But let's go to some of the booths and see how it is. Kind of curious what they're selling. They're selling a lot of traditional Cambodian scarves over here. Some jewelry as well. Some traditional Cambodian food. Oh. And this is going to be open for like 4 or 5 days. So when I'm going to post this video probably tomorrow. So it's still going to be open for a few more days. So please come out here and support the local vendors. Neon skewers. Let's just keep on continuing and see this area. Wow, and it's gigantic here. I'm gonna extend my camera real quick and show you more. I hope you have an idea of how it is from that 360-degree view, but it is massive. A lot of vendors. Can't read what they're selling, but a lot of local foods. Wow. That's gonna be another. This is gonna be another video. I think just eating the local foods here around New Year's time. And then they have a stage over here. Let's go through. Wow, look at this camera, guys. I'm a little cameraman. This guy has a gigantic camera. Look at the whole stage. Man, that must be crazy. Look at that. Yeah, the professional rig over there. It's me and my small camera, so please support me. Hopefully one day I can get that. Let's see what's on the stage. Wow. So interesting. This is the culture village. You see a lot of the culture here. So we're going to keep on moving around and see how it is. Well, apparently I got hit by a kid with some green face powder. This is how it is. Come to Cambodia during the New Year's. But yeah, it's pretty funny. I also want to show you. Look, this guy's singing some song. Still exploring this beautiful cultural center. And if you haven't already, make sure you're following me on other social media things so I can give you little stories and stuff too. As I was recording a story, the kid hit me with the green powder. Just gotta take off my face. Hello. Hi. Everybody's so happy during the New Year's. I love it. It's so nice, traveling the world because you can see a lot of different festive occasions and stuff. So this is one local game. One local game here in Cambodia. You put a blindfold on. You shake a water bottle just as this lady, and someone's supposed to find you. And then around you is a big circle. Look at this. The kid is supposed to find her with her shaking the bottle. Oh, I almost found her. There we go. Good job. The kid is the winner. Interesting game I've never seen in my life. But yeah. Continuing on, showing the festive vibes here. Oh, this is funny. You put your face over here and you look like I'm not quite sure what that is. Like a monk or something. I'm not quite sure. It's kind of funny. They have another stage over here. Well, look at this. They have a gigantic, looks like a chessboard. Let's keep on walking. It seems like it's pretty lively over here too. Man, I think I might have to make a whole video about this festival village. We're gonna cross the street and see what's up, and we'll go from there. Right now it's getting hot. So right next to the culture village, over here is some other hype spots. Let's cross the street and see what's up, but yeah. A lot of people with their water guns, going crazy. Man, if you don't see my camera, it's all greenish and stuff from the kid who put powder on me. Bless the kid. This is the first time someone put powder on me. A lot of people are putting powder on each other. Yeah, let's keep going. Wow, look at that. Alright, so we just left the cultural village, which you just saw. And now we are headed, wow, I feel like, oh, look at this. There's a lot of mist. I feel like people are squirting squirt guns. A lot of mist. And there's a lot of people here. Because now we're going to, it's called Wat Phnom. Wat Phnom, which is a famous temple here in Phnom Penh, or the most famous temple. But around here, you can just see, there's a lot of people selling, a lot of street vendors here. And ooh, a lot of mist. Sorry if the screen gets a little bit misty or wet. Trying to do my best. But yeah, and you can see in the center, the reason why I'm walking a little bit away from the center, a lot of people with squirt guns shooting each other, this and that, and putting paint on each other. I think I have enough paint on my face for right now. But look at this. Very lively. And a lot of people, the powder they put on your face is actually baby powder, and they put food coloring in it, or they just use white baby powder, yeah. But the whole area of this tree is white, kind of reminds me of China. In order to do that, to save the branches from any type of like bugs or whatnot. Oh, look at this. This is where it gets very crowded. Hope you can hear me. Sorry if you can't. Oh my god, this is crazy. Alright. I gotta record a little bit of story on my Instagram, so I'll see you in a second. Now we're at the famous temple here in Phnom Penh called Wat Phnom. It's right here. Damn, look how beautiful it is. And you can go there too, but I don't know how it is during the New Year's, but they have this gigantic, beautiful clock tower, which is nice. And yeah, it's very festive over here. I think there's actually more than the riverfront. This year they're celebrating it over here. And then look at this. Got baby powder all over me. Everyone is they just come to random people to powder on each other. Kind of crazy. This is the first time I experienced in my life just putting powder on each other. But anyways, guys, I think that's it for this video. I appreciate you watching. As always, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. This is how New Year's is in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. I really love it. It's nice. A lot of food, a lot of water, and a lot of people just enjoying themselves. So happy New Year's to myself and also to my family, from my family and myself. But yeah, I really appreciate you watching. As always, stay safe. I hope you have a joyous New Year. And please always just try to support the channel as much as you can. Help me, and I can help others. And yeah, that's about it. You can buy me a cup of coffee if you want, but I just appreciate you just watching to the end, liking, subscribing, and sharing it with others. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for my channel members. And thank you. But yeah, happy New Year's. Bye-bye. And if you want to watch more videos around the world, click somewhere up on the screen.